grow up, stay this little low. Darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up. It could stay this simple. Won't let nobody hurt you, won't let no one break your heart, and no one will desert you. Just try to never grow up. You're in the car on the way to the movies, and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. At 14 there's just so much you can't do, and you can't wait to move out someday and call your own shots. But don't make her drop you off around the block. Remember, she's getting old.